Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you today how to create articles using AI. The first thing that we need to do is to create a Google Sheet or an Excel document. Within the Google Sheets, we will need to add an extension that is responsible for integrating the OpenAI ChatGPT with the Google Sheets. We could do it through an add-on. There are lots of add-ons that we could find. We just have to type in OpenAI or ChatGPT, and then we'll find lots of extensions that are responsible for integrating the OpenAI with the Google Sheets. Or we could add a script. We come to apps and script, and then we add script here that is responsible for integrating our OpenAI with the Google Sheets here. So I got here the script was already ready. We would need the ChatGPT API key. I'm using mine here, and also you'll need to set up the model if you'd like to use the ChatGPT version 4 or 3.5, and then we click save, and then we click run. We need to grant the script permission to access our account. Don't worry about the error here. And then on our spreadsheet we'll start designing our articles. First things first, as just an illustration, I'll show you how to start generating content for the article. We would need two separate spreadsheets here. I'll call this one keywords, and here title. For example, here we are looking to write article about how to repair an iPhone after water damage, and then the second article is how to clean an iPhone. Let's give an iPhone a model like iPhone 11, and then how to repair iPhone screen. So we got here three articles, and then we would need to ask the AI to generate a title for us. We would do it through here. So I'm doing like all the AI prompts in a separate sheet, and then when I have the results I copy them back here. So what I need to do is to copy here these keywords, and I come to this cell next to it, and I type in equal GPT, and then here I'll type in my prompt. So I'd like to generate an article for these three keywords. I'll type in write blog post article in less than 60 characters, and then I will I will ask it to call the cell A1. I have to remove this here. So I'm calling the cell A1 so we could execute the prompt while generating an article using this keyword. So we got on here an error, formula pass error. So let me copy this. Let me paste it here. How to fix auto damage iPhone quick guide. So we got the title, we just have to drag down for the next two titles. So we got here 3 titles, one for this keyword and one for this one and one for this one. And then when we generated the blog post articles, we just have to copy and paste them here. And then we would need meta description. So using the keyword write meta description in less than 140 characters. Yep. So we got the meta description ready, copy paste it. Let's do some formatting here. After that, I would need to generate our article headings. So I'll type in here headings. It depends on your preferences. We will generate 6 headings. So we got here 6 headings or 6 H2s. And then we copy paste them here. And then we would need to have the headings converted into separate H2s in every column here. We don't have to do that manually, we could do that automated using the Google Sheet formula here. I think we could split text to columns. Then what do I say? Detect automatically? No. Semicolon? No. So we start by identifying that we have a 1. maybe here we have a 2. I don't want to do it automatically. It looks like it's fine, but let's keep doing it. So we are at now 2. And then from here we have to go to number 3. And then we go for the number 4. And then to number 5. And then finally here we have the number 6. And that's it. So we have all the headings in every column. And then this is the H2.1. Here is the H2.2. We would need to create a new column for the content and the each of the headings. So we call it here paragraph 10 H2.2 P P 6B, and I will call that intro or introduction, and maybe a conclusion. And now we have to generate content for every heading and from the introduction and a conclusion. So here we tell the AI to produce an introduction, write an introduction in between maybe writing an introduction in between maybe 100 to 120 words. So you got the intro for the first article, copy paste all of our introductions, seems not too bad. And then we need to produce the content for all the other H2s. So we start by the first H2s, I will delete these. And then here, write paragraph. So here I got a mistake. I need to copy all of this on the top. So write a paragraph in between. Okay, so write a paragraph. Maybe here, let's get first heading in our article. Disconnect and power immediately. Now it looks good. Then copy, paste all the content here. And then we move to the second heading. For our second heading, even a second, no, let's say a third. So we go to number 4. Number 5. and then the conclusion. For the conclusion, we would need to use the keywords. So write conclusion. Then we copy all the content here. And then we need to generate featured images for each of the articles. We would use the keywords to generate the images, and also we would need a different script to call the OpenAI API to generate an image using these keywords. So here is the script, and you need to run it, and don't worry about the error here below. And here how it works. So we got an image for each of our articles. We copy and paste just the links. So we got here keyword, title, featured image, meta description, introduction, 6 headings with their content, and then a conclusion. We would need to save this sheet as a CSV file. And then on WordPress, we would need to install a plugin called WP All Import, and then we click New Import. Select the CSV file. And then we leave it as it is. We are creating posts. So we got 3 blog posts. And then here we drag the title for the title, and the image for the image is also elsewhere. And if you want, we could create taxonomies, or we could make it as a draft not published, the author name, or and do we save our template? We call it PS Programmatic SEO, and we would need here to start designing our content template for the articles. So we would need the description to comes under the HTML formatting of P. So we need an introduction, and then we leave a gap. And then the H2, then we could leave a gap, and then the H2 content. Click preview. I might need to remove the gap here. Then leave a gap. And then might need here at the end the conclusion. Then let's click preview.